Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone still holding onto their precious memories stored on negatives and photos. The LKEIUSOKRY AC Power Adapter Wall Charger, specifically designed for the PANSCN05 photo and negative scanner by PanDigital. If you've ever found yourself with a scanner, but no way to power it, or perhaps your original adapter has gone missing, this LKEIUSOKRY offering steps in as a reliable replacement. This particular power adapter, manufactured by LKEIUSOKRY, comes with some key features that make it a practical choice. First off, its mounting type is a convenient wall mount, meaning it plugs directly into your outlet without extra cables cluttering your space, keeping things tidy. This is a small but significant detail for anyone who values a clean workspace, especially when dealing with delicate items like old photographs. One of the most important aspects of any power supply is safety, and LKEIUSOKRY has addressed this with a built-in short-circuit protection feature. This provides a crucial layer of security, safeguarding both the adapter itself and, more importantly, your valuable PanDigital scanner from potential electrical damage. Knowing that your device is protected gives you peace of mind as you work through your archive of family photos. Furthermore, the adapter proudly states that it meets CE specifications, which is a European standard for safety, health, and environmental protection, further reinforcing its quality and reliability. The main power connector type is a standard 2-pin, ensuring broad compatibility with typical wall outlets. Now, regarding the power source, while the PanDigital PANSCN scanner itself might have options for battery power, this LKEIUSOKRY adapter is specifically designed to provide a consistent and reliable AC power supplied directly from your wall outlet. This means you can power your scanner for extended periods without worrying about battery life, which is ideal for those long scanning sessions when you're digitizing an entire collection of negatives or slides. In essence, this LKEIUSOKRY AC power adapter is more than just a simple charger. It's a vital link to keeping your PanDigital PANSCN scanner operational. It's a straightforward, plug-and-play solution that ensures your scanner is always ready to bring those old memories back to life. For anyone needing a dependable power source for their PanDigital PANSCN05, this LKEIUSOKRY wall charger appears to be a solid, safe, and practical choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.